Good morning. This is Dr. Sheikh making a video about fit modifications in birds. As we know, birds shows variety of fit modifications. It depends on the number of toes, the utilization of toes. The first modification is called as a running type of fit or running modification found in the birds like emu and ostrich. It shows three toes. All the toes are in the forward direction, out of which two toes are longer and one is somewhat short, which gives the speed of walking and or running. This is the second type of fit called as perching fit found in the common crow. It shows four toes, out of which three toes are in forward direction and one toe is in backward direction. This is to perch or to, as this bird is generally in aerial life. It shows strong condition of the feet. This is the aquatic type of bird which shows the swimming type of feet. There are four toes and all the four toes are attached with each other by the skin called as web. As all the four toes are attached with web or skin, it acts as the propeller during the swimming to cut the water and go in the forward direction. This is the feet found in woodpecker, that is called as the climbing feet, which shows four toes, out of which two toes are in forward direction and two toes are in backward direction. This is to facilitate the walking of bird in the vertical direction. The backward directed toes balances the body weight and forward directed toes gives the direction. These toes are called as clinging toes, which shows four toes. All four toes are in forward direction so that it can catch or cling to a rod or wire or cage inside the cage for a longer period. This is called as the raptorial type of fit found in the carnivorous birds, eagle, vulture, kite. There are four toes present, out of which three are in forward direction and one toe is in backward direction. All the four toes shows pointed endings with the claws to catch the prey from a long distance. Generally, these birds are found at higher altitude. So, to carry the prey from ground into up to the higher altitude, it shows the pointed nails to the claws, which can collect the food material and it cannot slip from their toes. Thank you.